Every success story has a vision, and this holds true for the state of Karnataka. Karnataka government has a vision which has incorporated the aspirations of the people of Karnataka. This government is capable of bringing change in the system. Reports indicate that between 2008 and 2013, around 2.25 crores people directly benefited from most of the pioneering and pro-people programs announced and delivered with precision by the government. Today, Karnataka has one of the best public transport services in the country. 10,229 new buses added to fleet. 93 new bus stations with all amenities were constructed. Dozens of crispy clean traffic and transit management centers are in place. The number of underpasses and flyovers built for traffic congestion removal are phenomenal. Karnataka government was awarded with International UITP ITF Award for the best innovation in public transport. To connect with the modern computer literate tech-savvy generation, Karnataka government focused on e-governance and m-governance. Karnataka's IT policy focuses on using e-governance as a tool and delivering a government that is more proactive and responsive to its citizens. The government won the National E-Governance Award for introducing Panchtantra software. With development being its daily mantra, this government has responded to the day-to-day needs of the people by evolving Sakala scheme that would provide services to the common man within a stipulated time frame. This scheme, which is the flagship program of this government, eradicates red tapeism in one move. Sakala has processed more than 1 crore 50 lakh applications on time. This is India's best government response guaranteed scheme. Sakala is the proof of this government's sincerity and conviction to provide corruption-free and hassle-free governance. The state government of Karnataka has accorded top priority to the development of rural areas, welfare of farmers, and growth of agriculture sector. No government in India in any state had the courage to bring out a separate agricultural budget for the farmers. Tens of thousands of crores of real money is invested in useful projects like Bhu Chetna program, Suvarna Bhumi Yojana and organic farming. An important and glaring achievement of this government is Nama Metro. Metro rail has been a dream of millions of Bangaloreans for the last several decades. That dream became a reality under this government. This is an extraordinary example of BJP's good governance, that in Bengaluru, metro project is almost ready with the next phases being inaugurated. While the other two cities, Mumbai and Hyderabad, where the metro train project was planned almost at the same time, are nowhere closer to the first phase. This government understands the fact that when economy grows, everything else is taken care of. The BJP government of Karnataka has proudly held two massive global investor summits in 2010 and 2012. In 2007 and 8, the budget receipts in Karnataka were rupees 40,762 crores. By 2013 and 14, the receipts grew to rupees 1,15,983 crores plus rupees 22,310 separate agriculture budget. That is a stellar 239% growth under BJP. The development expenditure increased in Karnataka from rupees 27,009 crores in 2008 and 9 to rupees 77,383 crores in 2013 and 14, a whopping 186% increase. What else could be more important for a state than development and substantial increase in the economy? Electricity is one of the basic infrastructural ingredients for all-round development, and that's why state government of Karnataka is committed to make Karnataka an energy efficient state. With the help of its visionary approach, Karnataka did not run into any major power crisis in last 5 years. A key milestone in the corporate history of Karnataka Power Corporation Limited is Varahi Hydroelectric Project. This is Karnataka's first underground powerhouse. The state government won national award for the Varahi implementation. Good governance involves administration to be people-oriented, change-oriented, goal-oriented and technology-friendly. With this mantra of good governance, Karnataka's state government is shimmering with hope for all the people of Karnataka that they can be united and can rise above. The rich legacy brought in by the government of Karnataka belongs to its people today.